super serious. Really big supraorbital ridge, fancy name for eyebrows. Their eyebrows hang over them. Hawks tend to have long, skinny beaks, short, fat toes. They're mainly killing their prey on the ground with their feet. Falcons have long, pointed wings and a long tail for stooping or diving. Now, the kestrel is one of the only raptors here in the United States. You can tell the difference between male and female by the past 10 years. We have seen interest in owls spike, which is cool for some things, really bad for others. Have you guys seen any of the videos or viral videos going around right now of people petting owls and posting them online, scratching the face? Okay, those are bad. Totally silent. On the edge of the flight feathers, so those are the big ones that stick out kind of like fingers, mammals. That's what this guy focuses on. And just like our red-tailed hawk is grabbing with his feet, soaring through the air while he's looking for his food. He's only 3 months old. Oh, this is his first time ever coming out in front of an audience. Well, I'd say he's doing a pretty good job, isn't he?
Yeah.
What you did not use mouth for rat poison. He's off. Yes, you guys can see he looks serious, right? Who's he gonna find?
Young deer, I hope.
Yeah, I wish. That's golden eagle. What's he gonna find in the desert? Reptiles, yep, lizards, snakes. Yep, road runners. They're smarter than that, you guys. Okay. Now horses, where do horses look? So horse, yes, good. Alright? They do not carry rabies. They do not carry the plague. What animal carries the plague?
So we came out to visit Mom's favorite park out here. Where is this? What is this called?
Dutch Charlie in Ridgway.
Dutch Charlie in Ridgway, Colorado, and happened upon a really cool wild bird or falcon demonstration. Raptors. That's what. It was put on by, what was it called? Nature's Educators. Anyway, I'll leave a link down in the description if I can find their information. Devin and Evan hosted it. You could really tell these guys loved what they were doing and just a passion for these birds. And we learned a lot of new stuff and got to see some really cool birds while we were at it. So yeah, that was really cool.
A beautiful place.
Beautiful place. Watching the sunset and the moon come out over the mountains. Really cool. This trip to Colorado has been full of all kinds of fun surprises. Driving past the Rio Grande Southern Railway Museum, and they're actually offering rides on their little postal vehicle today. So, free museum, thought we'd check it out. And here we are in the caboose. Passengers aren't allowed to stand on the platform, Mom. It's right there. This lamp back here to see what you're cleaning. I've been a railroad fan for a long time.
Okay, some of the original passes.
Ooh.
Rising Valley County. But you could also put sheep in it. You put a middle deck in there and a partition going, on the middle here. And the sheep rush in the fall was a big thing around here and elsewhere. And you have this big pool of sheep, and you have a ramp here where sheep come to the lower one, and then you have a ramp that takes sheep up the upper one. And the sheep would go right in there, right? No, there's sheep. There was a gentleman, and he wasn't unique in this, but there was a gentleman who had 2 trained goats. And he trained the goats. He said he put goat number 1 here, and he put goat number 2 here. And then those goats would start running that way. The sheep would follow. And he'd come around there, and there'd be a partition to come back here, and when the goats showed up again, he'd take the goats off, close the door, signal the engineer to move forward one car, and they kept doing that until they ran out of the sheep. And,
wow.
We have in our archives the paper receipts that the goats got for their service. And what the goats got was Their most favorite thing in the entire universe, handful of chewing tobacco.
Oh,
Really?
Yes.
that's a fun story.
I knew they would eat anything, but
Walked around and saw some trains, and now we are here on a very special street in Ridgway because this street has filming locations for the movie True Grit with Clint Eastwood.
no.
No,
John Wayne.
John Wayne. Can you tell I haven't seen the movie? I was about to do my best Clint Eastwood, but
No.
I don't know how to do a John Wayne. Sorry. Colorado sure is quiet.
Denver side.
I'm used to going outside and hearing more people noise. The Grit Landmark. Built in 1986 as a tribute to John Wayne and True Grit. Incorporating the cafe's construction grocery store facade from next door is now the cafe's south wall.
Yep, this wall is actually in the movie.
Cool. Hey. All right. Very cool.
Howdy. Well, late.
All right, so we were just asked if we wanted to go upstairs, and I'm not sure why we went to, but we're gonna find out. All right, I'll be right there. Look, I found him. It's him.